static method. Select the data, right click, select copy, select your target location, right click, select paste special and select transpose, press OK. This works nicely, but if you make a change, it is not reflected in the new target location. The second method, it is dynamic method. Go to your target location and highlight the rows and columns based on the size of the table. It is going to be 2 by 4, type equals, type transpose, and highlight the data. Press Shift, Ctrl, Enter. It transposes it. Now, when you make a change, this change, it is reflected in the new target location.